Streamline kicks with a roll. When teaching body rolls, isolate the skill first. Have swimmers practice rolling to their back from a front float. Explain to the swimmers that they'll want to stay flat like a pancake by keeping their head back and pushing their bellies up as they roll. First, demonstrate the skill. Start in a front float position with arms down by your side. Rotate from the chest and shoulders, keeping the head in line with the spine. Notice how the body remains flat and the head stays back throughout the roll. Now let's add in our streamline kicks. Start with reminders on streamline kicks and rolling to a back float. When ready, the swimmer should push off the wall in streamline position, maintaining a strong and steady kick. Once the swimmer kicks about 7 yards, cue them to roll to a back float. Assist them to ensure they roll correctly and finish in a proper back float position. Place your hands on their shoulders to help with rotation. Swimmers often lift their heads trying to get a breath quickly. Guiding their rotation will help them correct their body position and cue them to proper technique. Remind them to keep their head back and push their belly up. When having your swimmer return to the wall, have them practice streamline kicks without a roll. Swimmers should never perform a roll when going back to the wall to avoid hitting their head. Safety first.